Hi students, welcome to today's lesson. I'm very happy and glad that you people are following the lesson, and I'm also happy with the comments that are coming in my DM. And I think there will be something good that will come from this video and these tutorials. God bless you all. Please, if you are new to the channel, I will urge you to like to the channel and subscribe. Make sure you share to your friends who are weak in mathematics. As I said earlier on, we have a lot to offer, and your understanding is our concern. God bless you. Now, in our previous lesson, I remember I gave a question. That was the homework or the assignment, and most of you've submitted them in my DM. I would like to solve so that we see the answers. All right. So now let's look at the first question, which is 1.009 to 3dp, and that same question to two decimal places. So 1.009, we are converting it to 3 decimal places. Now, as I said earlier on, when we talk about decimal places, our focus should be on the numbers that comes after the point. Now, ask yourself, where is the point? This is the point. Have you seen it? All right. And which numbers comes after the point? These are the numbers. So ask yourself, how many numbers are after the point? We have the first one, second one, and the third one. So for this question, we have 3 numbers after the point, and we are to convert to 3 decimal places, meaning we have to, it's a must to get 3 numbers after the decimal point. So since this one is already having 3 numbers after the point, is already in 3dp. Please, I hope you are getting it. It's already in 3dp. So please make sure you don't trouble yourself to do any further solving. It is already having 3 numbers. Okay, and we are to convert the same thing to 2 decimal places. So let me use this one as number 1A. So this one will be the B. Okay, the B. Let me change the color. All right. So this same question, 1.009. If you are to convert to 2 decimal places, meaning you have to get 2 numbers after the decimal point. So for this question, we have 3 numbers. We have 3 numbers after the decimal point. So let's consider the last number, or the immediate number that comes before, the number that comes after the last 0. The last 0. So let's look at that one. Since this number is 5 or more, I remember in the previous video I said that if it is 5 or more, you take 1 out of it and you add to this one. So when we add, we will be getting 1.01. Now after that, we have to throw this one away. The 9. After we took 1 from it, we have to dump it, because we need the answer to be in 2 decimal places. We want 2 numbers to be after the decimal point. Please, I hope you are all getting me. So you write 2dp. Very simple as ABCD. So this one is number 1A, and this one is number 1B. All right. Let's look at the next question, which is this one. we are to convert 0.0 to 3 decimal places. So let's see. 0.0. Now we need 3 numbers after the decimal point. As you can see, what can we do? Just add 0 to it. So let me write equal to. So 0.00. I remember I told you in the previous video that if, for instance, you have 2 numbers after the decimal point and they are saying correct to 3 decimal points, or 3 decimal places, make sure you add 0 to it so that you get 3 numbers after the decimal point. So since for this one we have only 1 number after the decimal point, which is this one, we are to add zeros to it so that we will get 3 numbers after the decimal point. So this one to 3 dp. Yes, to 3 dp. All right. Let's look at the next one. We also have 71.845. 71.845 to 2 dp. We are converting to 2 dp. So what are we going to do? Let's write our whole number parts, because our focus should be on the numbers that comes after the decimal point. So since it's 2 dp, we have our first number, which is 8 after the decimal point. We have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. So now our focus should be on the number that is at the second place, which is 4. And our focus should also be on 5, because they will be working hand in hand. So let's write our 8. After you write our 8, now which number comes after the 4? It is 5. So once it is 5 and we want it to 2 decimal places, we have to take 1 from the 5 and add to the 4 so that we will get 5 here. After that, we have to dump this one because we need 2 numbers after the decimal point. So these are the solutions for the previous question. Stay tuned. We will be moving to significant figures. Make sure you watch the videos gradually. Make sure you understand everything. If you have any question, my number is just scrolling under the screen. I will urge you to chat me. You can also call me so that we vibe together. God bless you.